presentation of the dais. I understand time is very less, so I'll be trying to be brief and I will not take much time. I want to throw light on e-governance in the Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation and the scenario which was before existing, and after this initiative, what is the today position. So before this initiative, the corporation was having some of the models, PT and water works, PIs, etc., and works model, but they were all like islands, and we were having multiple database, multiple vendors, and multiple technologies, operating systems, and logging, and all were like islands, and they were not talking to each other. But after general funds, then we went for all the 14 models as it is shown, and these are all integration of these models are done. So, and as when we adopted this new system, so we also thought of moving to a new headquarter, which is now our departments are scattered. So this headquarter will be also ready by within this year. So everything will be integrated by e-governance and by physically also. So these are some of the highlights of technical architecture. You can just go through this. This is highly scalable, and we went for open source Unicode characters like that. Multi-tier architecture we adopted. So these are some of the citizen portal where citizen can easily access and get all the services of the corporation. Public interest information are all displayed. Photo galleries are there. This is Unicode we have adopted, and all the information of corporation is displayed on that. Online payment facilities of water bill, property tax are made, and all about public disclosure laws and RTI information, everything is there. Online grievance management system is also made, and all our system is GIS based. One can register through GIS, and acknowledgement, registration, redressal, complaint, capturing of status of complaint, and then till it is closed or resolved, and generation of necessary reports, all these things are there. So, and through this GIS based grievance system, citizen can pinpoint the exact problem where it is. And this is the structure of GIS, this core and spatial infrastructure is there, and all applications and services are designed. They can, through web, they can navigate, tracking, and we are also going for city surveillance also. The same thing is also now underway. As I said, this is all grievance redressal system, property tax, water bill, works model, all are now integrated with e-governance application. This is some of the just display of all the water lines, and everything is how it is displayed, and how people can get all the details of, even from these property details, they can get all the queries about their details of the property, even their bills details they can get. This is our water network. All the gardens and other playgrounds and everything are marked on, they are mapped, and people can easily access, and our attributes are there. So this is single window concept for citizen facilitation center, where almost 31 services are delivered through this. They can get all property, NOCs, birth, date certificate, licenses, trade licenses, permissions, everything, road digging permissions, etc. And we have made it bilingual, Marathi and English, both they can use. So by adopting this, you can just see that, as suggested in general, all the timelines are reduced, and we are aiming at what JNRM has suggested. So within one year, we will be achieving that norms. This is for license, this is for trade license, and even solid waste management also, or vehicle tracking, cleaning, all the operations are also mapped, and that can be integrated to e-governance. And for works model, right from pre-tendering estimation, to e-tendering, then post-tendering, and bill generating, payments, and then asset management. All things are, and MIS, all things are integrated. This is the works management. Online payment, self-assessment, e-returns for sales, like property tax. And in town planning also, your auto plan we have introduced. So now we have come to 20 days from 60 days, and very soon we will be coming to 1 day. Within a day, we can issue the acceptance or rejection. So this is the format where they can log in architects, and this cooking can be done within 15 minutes or so, and immediately accepted or rejected, that can be communicated. And this is for budget finance audit system. This is also integrated with all the models. Payroll systems are also running through e-governance for allowances, payments, and everything. So this is some interesting aspect of GIS integrated grievance model, GIS thematic reporting, GIS integrated portal, offline online bill collection utility, Google-based and transliteration services, role-based access, single sign-on, and we have introduced kiosks also. So these are the measuring parameters. As I said, this is in writing, but I just said that we are meeting all the standards. Thank you very much.
This is amazing.